Hey crypto enthusiasts! Welcome back to another straightforward tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to send Chainlink from Arculus wallet to Crypto.com in 2025. Whether you're diversifying your portfolio or just managing your assets, this step-by-step guide will get you there safely and efficiently. Let's dive right in. First things first, ensure you have the latest versions of both the Arculus wallet app and the Crypto.com app installed on your device. In 2025, updates might include enhanced security features, so staying current is key to avoiding any hiccups. Step 1. Open your Arculus wallet app and log in securely. Once you're in, head to your dashboard and locate your Chainlink link tokens. Chainlink is an ERC20 token on the Ethereum network, so double-check that your wallet is set to the correct network. Step 2. Tap on the Chainlink asset to select it, then choose the Send or Transfer option. This will bring up a screen where you need to enter the recipient's address. Before proceeding, switch to your Crypto.com app, go to your wallet, select Chainlink, and navigate to the deposit section. Copy the deposit address provided. Make sure it's for the Ethereum network to match Chainlink's compatibility. Step 3. Back in Arculus, paste the copied address into the recipient field. Next, enter the amount of Chainlink you want to send. Be mindful of transaction fees, which can vary based on network congestion in 2025, so leave a little extra in your wallet to cover them. Step 4. Review everything carefully, the address, amount, and fees. If it all looks good, hit Confirm to initiate the transfer. You'll get a confirmation prompt. Go ahead and approve it. Step 5. Sit tight while the transaction processes. This usually takes a few minutes, but it could be longer depending on the Ethereum network's load. Once it's complete, check your Crypto.com app to see your Chainlink tokens arrive. And there you have it. Your Chainlink is now in Crypto.com. Always verify addresses to prevent scams, and if you encounter any issues, consult the official support resources. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips in 2025.